officially start my life documentation today. It's December 7, 2024. Another good friend of mine is fulfilling her dreams. Okay, if you're gonna watch this soon, I wish you all the best. At I just wished you well there. I hope that kung ano man yung reason kung bakit ka pumunta doon is ma-fulfill, mahanap mo, ma-discover mo yan ng bonggang-bong. I'll always be here waiting for you. Or di mo sure, baka ako pupunta. Delula. I'm preparing. Going to the airport. So this is the outfit. Let's see the outfit. Yeah, that's the outfit. Outfit check. So yun, ganda-ganda lang tayo with a little bit blush and a lipstick. So let's find out. So ngayon, magko-commute lang ako mamaya. Bye!
Morning bus na po. Next train na po tayo. Salamat.
Namang mabilis magmaneho ko yun.
Hindi naman. Ano lang, kapag-tama.
Safe riding. Oh my gosh. I hate you, Kay. I hate you. Let's go, kuya. Para sa kaibigan.
Airport, pwede pa isa. Isa pa.
Hi, Kay. Papunta na ako ngayon.
Yan lang din sa mga sir. Kaso walang ikot tayo.
Oo, sige, go lang.
Sarado ka. Nakakagyabi.
Almost there. Oh my gosh. So stressing. Pwede to. Na may
Dito lang ang
Sobrang Latina! Ang inang sarap talaga ng babae na to. Hayop ka talaga.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Flashback.
Are you excited? What's the first letter of the alphabet? Where's the sweet girl? It's right there. Hey! Finally with the boobs.
Okay, game.
Hi guys, so this is our first day here at El Nido and our first activity is to visit. Where are we going? Right now, we're here at Puerto Princesa, Palawan, and we are witnessing our reunionism. Quinchana. Quinchana yo. Quinchana yo. Quinchana yo. Hey, what is the first letter of the alphabet? Quinchana. Quinchana yo. Ang TikTok na yun, te. Go, Kay! Go, Kay! Hangaw, butong! Amo maggahoy ao kininam, ah!
May baon na sariling glam person.
After angkla, petsa de peligro ang mga ate mo. Quinchana yo.
Gwenchana.
Quinchana. Quinchana yo. Quinchana.
Gwenchana.
TikToker ko. Haan ka talaga TikToker, te. Oh, with the zoom effect. Abe, the nipple bright. Dati. Abe, magkakanay the nipple. Rolling din, titi. Nakita. Hey guys, it's 1:04 in the morning and we're looking for a nipple bra. Anything. I want it, tati. Ako may natan. Ako may natan. Ako natan.
Amok no sa lumpas.
Gaga.
Tikat katawa ako ng pabigat na the short.
TikTok tayo. TikTok tayo.
End of flashback.
Sabay mo. Yan, recording na siya.
Hi guys.
Oh.
So currently we are here at Terminal 1. Lobat ka pa yun ngiti. I'm with Dave and my baby loves. So pretty.
Finally, Patricia.
Hangko yung makadakan ni mama.
Dito na dagdagan. Makita ng tulatan. Ano, oh my God! mo, pinag-brief ko lang kanina. Hindi kinatang tanga-brief.
Ang kainasar ulit dito.
Snap.
Pagi na mismo kasi sunalan ng usar. Are you happy?
No. Ikaw, are you happy?
Yes.
No. Are you happy? Nagpitas ka ate ko.
Nagpo daw nakita.
Uy. Pan.
Isiki Horyo.
Feb.
Nakita nilang destination kinita.
Feb.
I'm crying.
Oh. So time check, it's 4:30 and 5. Pupunta na siya sa loob. Actually, kaninang 4 pa sana, pero ina-extend ko siya. CR lang siya. I'm so sad, guys. I'm so sad. Bye, Kay. One, two. This is it. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Ting. No, mahigit ate ko.
I will not cry.
Bye-bye. Galanad kay Jaywen. Babalik ka, Wen. I just got here from the airport. I'm at our office right now. I don't know what to feel. Again. Just the feeling ko, I'm so sad. That's it. I cannot continue this. I don't want to be vulnerable in front of the camera. I'll see you next time.